Hey guys, it is Info Girl. I hope everyone is doing well. And if you are new here, then welcome. And make sure that you hit the like and the subscribe button if you enjoy me bringing you important information on how you can get pre approved for credit cards with high limits and how you can also build your personal credit. Now, today we're going to be talking about some credit cards or my top favorite credit cards that you can pre qualify for before you receive a hard inquiry on your credit profile. Now, pre qualification is a soft inquiry to your credit report, which should not affect your personal credit. It is not guaranteed that you will get approved, and there is no risk to your credit score. Now we're going to go ahead and talk about the number one credit card that I definitely enjoy, which is the Apple credit card. Now, in order to be approved for the Apple credit card, you must have a 600 credit score and above. Now, with the Apple credit card, they do offer a lot of cashback rewards and a lot of other benefits. There is no fees, no late fees, no hidden fees. Apple card is just, in my opinion, a really great credit card. Now, with the Apple credit card, they do pull from TransUnion. So before you apply for this credit card, please make sure that your credit profile is unlocked and they do have credit limits as high as $20,000. Now, the next credit card we will be talking about is the IKEA credit card. Now, they do have two different kind of credit cards, which is the IKEA family, but the one you can pre-qualify for is the IKEA Project credit card. Now, in order to be approved for this credit card, you can have a 640 credit score and above, and they do have a credit limit all the way up to $3,000. Now, they do pull from Experian or Equifax. So, before you apply for the IKEA credit card, please make sure that your credit profile is unlocked. Next is the AMC Visa credit card. Now, in order to be approved for this credit card, you must have a 640 credit score and above. Now, this lender does pull from Experian or Equifax. It just really just depends. And with this credit card, they offer a limit all the way up to $2,500. Next, we have Capital One. Now, with Capital One, they have multiple different credit cards that you can pre qualify for, but my favorite one will be the Venture X Rewards credit card. Now, with this credit card, you can pre qualify. Now, in order to be approved or pre approved for this credit card, you must have a 670 credit score and above. Now, they do have a credit limit of $50,000 and they do pull from Experian. So if your Experian profile is unlocked, please make sure that it is unlocked in order to be pre approved. Now, my next credit card will be Navy Federal Gold Rewards credit card. Now, I love Navy Federal, as you guys know, and I will say that you can pre qualify for the Gold Rewards credit card. Now, in order to be approved for this credit card, you must have a 640 credit score and above. Now, they do have a limit as high as $20,000 that you can be approved from, but from other reports, they do have higher limits. Now, Navy Federal does pull from Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion. The next card that you can pre qualify for, again, is Navy Federal. More rewards. Now, in order to be approved for this credit card, you must have a 680 credit score and above, and they do pre qualification. And in order to get this card, your credit profile must be unlocked. And they have a limit as high as $50,000, but some reports say that the limit is a little bit higher. Last but least, we have Chase Freedom Credit Card. Now, in order to be pre approved for this credit card, you must have a 670 credit score and above, and they do have limits as high as $50,000. Now, with Chase, they do pull from Experian. So, before you apply for this Chase Freedom Credit Card, please make sure that your Experian profile is unlocked.